Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view authorized users on Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're managing a shared account or just want to keep tabs on who has access, this quick guide is perfect for you. It's super important for security and peace of mind, especially with all the digital updates rolling out this year. First off, grab your smartphone or computer and ensure you have your Wells Fargo login details handy. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app or visiting their website at wellsfargo.com. Once you're there, enter your username and password to log in securely. Remember, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. That's a game changer for 2025. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your home base for all account activities. Look for the Accounts or Cards tab, usually at the top or in a sidebar menu. Click on that to access your list of accounts. Now, select the specific account you want to check, like your credit card or checking account. Wells Fargo makes this straightforward with their updated interface. Once you're in the account details page, scroll down or look for a section labeled Authorized Users or Account Access. This might be under Settings or Manage Users. Tap or click on it, and you'll see a clear list of all authorized users linked to that account. You'll find details like their names, contact information, and the level of access they have, whether it's for viewing only or making transactions. If you need to make changes, like removing a user, there might be options right there, but always double-check Wells Fargo's policies first. Pro tip: regularly reviewing authorized users helps prevent fraud, so make this a quarterly habit. And that's it. You've now mastered viewing authorized users on Wells Fargo in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure and savvy. Thanks for watching.